SERV stock analysis next week, Monday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So Serve Robotics sitting at 756. This is pretty much a bullish market for me. Like, I'm just trying to double down on this bullish market, you know, like I wouldn't be doing anything else other than just focusing on that. But you know, instead of just trying risking and just trying to force stuff, what I do is just lay back and really wait for the rules, because it's just like a lower time frame type of thing, and only for now and not forever type of thing, you know. So nothing is forever in the markets for sure, but for me, for the moment, if the price pulls back inside this demand zone just beneath the low there, so we can, you know, grab some liquidity, then and only then I'd buy. Like anything else is just pretty much, even if the price starts going without me, I'm not going to try and run after the trade, you know. That's the last thing I do, but I'm more so going to wait it out. So don't listen to me, do your due diligence. If you want to learn my strategy for free though, just check the photos link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars, like literally, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.